Stable double Type-C port designed with dual Type-C input port to avoid losing connection to your MacBook Pro. Note: the two USB-C port hub can only be used on the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, as the USB-C hub is designed for snug fit, so it can't fit with laptop case or protector. Pass-through charging supports up to 100W power delivery to charge both 13, 61W and 15, 87W MacBook Pro at full speed. While all data ports are in use and can deliver up to 1.5A of power per USB 3.0 port. Extended 2 video output equipped with both HDMI and Thunderbolt 3 ports. HDMI supports 1080p at 60 Hz up to 4K at 30 Hz. Thunderbolt 3 supports up to 5K at 60 Hz or 2 4K at 60 Hz displays. 2 USB-C plugs extremely secure fit. Plug into either side of the MacBook Pro's USB-C ports. With 100W power delivery, charge your laptop while using all your connected devices to transfer data. Plug-and-play laser-cut aluminum case matches the color and appearance of the space gray MacBook. Portable design makes the USB docking station easy to carry anywhere and saves desktop space. No app or drive need, plug and play.